March is Women's History Month, and International Women's Day is a moment to celebrate progress, recognize women's achievements, and talk honestly about the work that still needs to be done. Joining us today is Micha Star Liberty, founder and attorney at Liberty Law, where she focuses on consumers' rights, workers' rights, civil rights advocacy, and legal investigations. Hi, Micha.
Hi, Kate. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Thanks for having me.
Now, International Women's Day is a big day, right? It's all about recognizing women's journeys. Now, when you think about your own path and the work that you do, what does this day mean for you personally?
It means so much. For me, it represents the resilience and the purpose that women bring to all of their endeavors. And for being a woman in advocacy, for me, means showing up, being prepared and confident and committed, even when the work is challenging, which is almost all the time. But I'm proud to use my skills and experience to help others navigate difficult situations and to stand up for fairness and accountability for women. It's a real honor to be able to do that work.
And I mean, it's got to be tough work, Micha. This day also brings attention to, discrimination and inequality. And in your work, where do you most often see people feeling powerless or maybe unheard?
Well, I think that, many people don't even realize when their rights are being violated, especially consumers, but in particular, where I see it time and time again is workers who are facing unfair practices, discriminatory practices, and they lack the awareness or the education or the resources, and that lack can make them feel overwhelmed in the situations that they're in. So part of my role is helping women understand their rights and letting them know that you don't have to face these challenges alone.
Yeah, I mean, people often say, and you say this a lot, that Women's Day is about giving the voice to the voiceless. I know that's one of your key tenets about what you do. But in your practice, what does that look like day to day for you?
It means listening first. So a lot of times advocates want to start by explaining and talking and taking up all the space. And really what we need to do is make sure we are able to give our clients their voice back. And that starts with listening to what they have to say. So make sure you're asking the right questions when it's your time to talk, and being willing to stand firm when something isn't right. Advocacy is about empowering people and helping them feel seen and heard and supported while working towards that accountability and justice.
I love that. Listen first.
It's key.
For women who are watching right now, and maybe they feel like something isn't right, but they're not sure if they have a case or if their rights are being violated, what would you want them to know?
That there are all kinds of resources out there, and a lot of folks who do this work, like us, are happy to have a call with anyone if they have questions. Even if we can't help them, we usually try to find a way, but we're here to help issue spot. We're here to bounce ideas off of. And most importantly, we're here to reaffirm. So people know when they're being treated badly. And, it's our role as advocates to help them find a way to change that dynamic. So they can always call us at 510-645-1000, or they can visit us at libertylaw.com and request a confidential consultation.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Micha. We'll put that information on the screen for anyone who wants to reach out to Micha, but we appreciate you coming in today.
Thank you so much.
And with that, we're going to take a short break, but we'll be right back.